I am at Costco doing my grocery shop. I have like a $200 by Costco reward certificate that I'm trying to use up. So I stocked up on some of my favorite things. Here I have tons of my favorite frozen organic cauliflower rice, some sliced almonds. I got some avocados. I love to buy these green, and then within like 5 days, they're all ripe at the same time, and I'll put them in the fridge. Then this is Sean's favorite Swiss cheese. I got some grass-fed butter. I got blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, paper towels down here. And then for kid, like non-keto stuff, I got them some organic grapes. They love these potato chips. And then these are my favorite tortilla chips to give them the organic. Got a few things at Sprouts. So I got this True Story organic oven roasted turkey that I love to use for the kids' sandwiches, or I'll have it as a snack. Garlic, lemon, limes, the Peterson Farms. This is sugar-free breakfast sausage that I'm really loving lately. So are the kids. Organic Valley, organic mild cheddar, some bell peppers, capers for my chicken piccata. And then I got chives and dill to use for my salmon cakes, some spinach, coleslaw mix, some organic heavy cream, the chai tea that I'm loving so much, iceberg lettuce, parsley, and then of course my gut shot. And then up here is kids stuff. I got them some chocolate almond milk that they love. I heat it up and tell them it's cocoa. And then I'm trying to switch them over to sourdough bread since it's easier to digest, like the slower fermentation of the bread. I think it's better for them than gluten bread. So they've been loving this too.